Select the PPEs you think that are required. Select the items that you need from the tray. Move to open the lock using key. Hold the handle and open the door. Good. Now go ahead and start climbing the ladder. Attach the safety hook to the side rail before removing the D-ring. Teleport to the nearest point. You don't have the toolbox. Get it before you can walk on the duct. Hold the rope and pull up the attached toolbox. Start walking on the duct. Now hand over the toolbox to your colleague. Here is your score.